Hey, hello everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cherry duo. Going to start off with a big one. It's just a kind of an oval shape. It's thicker on the bottom and getting more narrow on top. A little bit like an Easter egg. Like this. I'm gonna create two round big eyes on top. One over here and one next to it. Create two large pupils. And a highlight within them. Fill in the rest with black. And we are gonna create ourselves some eyebrows. Create a line here, coming up, same thing here, and connect the two lines. Now fill it in with your marker. Same thing over here. Create a box and fill it in. Like so. Gonna create a smile. Gonna curve down, curve back up again, and come back down and up again, like this. Now, for the outside of the mouth, I'm gonna curve all the way down till about here. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna place a line here, coming down, coming to the side, all the way up to here, and coming back up again. Gonna finish up this line. Gonna go down like this, and we have ourselves a mouth. I'm gonna create a tongue, create an arch like this, same one beside it, curling in to the top. Okay, nice. Now for 2 feet, a line a little bit curved, coming down from that point, coming up to the ground, a horizontal line coming way over here, and the same thing coming up for the toes, back to the feet, and with a curve coming up again. Now one straight line in the middle to separate the two legs, and you're done. Now for a hand on this side, come up diagonally and create a thumb, come back down, curve in, come back up, and create the thickness of the arm. For the other hand, it's coming down here, straight down, same thing next to it, coming up, to the side, coming up and curving in to the arm. Okay, now for its smaller twin, I'm gonna create a line curving up, a line curving down, and coming back down again. We're gonna stop here. From here, I'm gonna create a line coming this way and copy one below it. Now create a rounded shape to connect the two lines, and coming from here, finishing up that branch. Gonna come up again, gonna finish these two lines, gonna curve back in and make a circle till there. Now we're gonna create a curve. It's about halfway of the circle, coming in like this, and a circle for an eye. I'll create another eye next to it, like this, and two pupils right over here. And again with a highlight, fill in the rest, highlight, and fill in the rest. Almost done. Now to create one more line coming from here up until the cheek. And the only thing left are two eyebrows. I'm gonna curve a little bit, come up, same thing here, and connect the two lines. Fill it in. And same thing here. This time I'm gonna curve up. Like this. And again, fill it in. And we're done with our cherry duo. I'm going to fill it in with a blacker outline, with a thicker outline, and I'm going to see you back in a few seconds. And we're done, our cherry duo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to like and subscribe and send me your requests in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!